What if you could identify the price level where the most trading activity occurred? That's the point of control, or POC, a powerful tool for understanding market dynamics. Welcome back to CryptoHubHQ, your guide to mastering crypto trading strategies. A point of control is the price level with the highest traded volume during a specific time period. You can find this using the volume profile tool on platforms like TradingView. POCs represent where the market has agreed on price most, making them key liquidity zones. Points of control are directly tied to liquidity. These levels attract heavy trading because they represent fair value in the market. Traders often use points of control to gauge where buyers and sellers are most active. Points of control frequently act as strong support or resistance levels. When price approaches a point of control, it often stalls, bounces, or breaks decisively, depending on market sentiment. These reactions create excellent trading opportunities. To use points of control in your trading, apply the volume profile tool and identify the daily POCs. Extend these levels into the future to watch how price reacts. Combining points of control with other tools like order blocks or fair value gaps enhances your strategy. Points of control are more than just volume markers. They're critical levels where the market's attention is focused. Thanks for watching CryptoHubHQ. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading insights.